Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated machines in the motocross world, the 2026 Yamaha YZ250. Known for its raw power, lightweight agility, and classic two-stroke spirit, the YZ250 has been a favorite among riders for decades. The 2026 model brings refined performance and modern updates while staying true to the formula that made it iconic. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why this YZ250 is more thrilling than ever. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Yamaha YZ250 arrives with sharper, more aggressive styling inspired by Yamaha's latest race machines. The bodywork is slimmer, improving rider mobility and ergonomics. Updated shrouds and a redesigned front fender give the bike a sleek, race-ready stance. Yamaha has also introduced fresh graphics and new color combinations, giving the YZ250 a bold, factory look right out of the crate. The bike keeps its familiar, lightweight feel while looking more modern and purposeful on the track. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the 2026 YZ250 is its legendary 249cc liquid-cooled, two-stroke engine, now refined with improved porting and optimized ignition, timing for smoother yet stronger power delivery. Yamaha has upgraded the carburation system for better throttle response and consistency. The chassis remains lightweight but has been strengthened in key areas for sharper handling. The KYB suspension has also been retuned to offer improved stability over rough terrain and better hole-shot launches. The end result is a machine that feels faster, more controlled, and more competitive than ever. Safety and technology. While staying true to its pure motocross roots, the 2026 YZ250 includes several modern touches. Updated braking components offer better stopping power and heat resistance. The ergonomics have been improved with a narrower tank and grippier seat material for better control. Yamaha's revised handlebar mounts and updated foot pegs enhance rider confidence during jumps and hard landings. Though still simple by design, the bike feels more refined and supportive for riders at all skill levels. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha YZ250 continues its legacy as one of the most exciting two-strokes on the market. With refreshed styling, fine-tuned performance, and improved rider-focused updates, it stays true to its heritage while pushing the envelope for modern motocross. Whether you're lining up at the gate or tearing up the trails, the new YZ250 is built to deliver pure adrenaline. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more motorcycle news, reviews, and first looks at the machines that matter most.